well. Today, Governor Brian Kemp sat down with CBS 46 to talk about the pandemic and vaccine eligibility. Georgia is only the third state in the nation to open up eligibility to everyone over the age of 16, and that started today. CBS 46's Adam Murphy met with the governor, and he's live with the very latest outside the state capitol. Adam.
Hi there, Rick. The governor told me that he hopes very few, if any, future governors have to go through what he has during the past year with the pandemic and making very difficult decisions.
If we'd have had more doses early on, there's no question we could have given more shots.
In a one-on-one interview Thursday, Governor Brian Kemp admitted it has been a difficult year managing the COVID-19 pandemic in Georgia.
I know in times like this, as somebody who's been in the private sector 30 years and been through some tough times myself, you got to make decisions and you got to move on. And then you got to worry about making the next decision.
There have been more than 845,000 confirmed cases of the virus and over 16,000 deaths. 1.9% of Georgians who contracted COVID-19 have died. We asked the governor if a more stringent statewide lockdown would have saved lives.
If you look at a lot of the states that have been in lockdown mode, their success rates or failure rates, depending on how you want to look at it, are no better than ours. In many cases, ours are better than theirs.
The state has now administered 3.3 million vaccines, yet still ranks near the bottom nationally, with only 20% of Georgians receiving one dose. Kemp blamed the federal government for the lack of supply early in the process.
What would you tell your fellow Georgians who are on the fence about getting this vaccine?
I would tell them that my wife's had it, I'm getting it tomorrow, and I would encourage them to get it. My kids are going to get it. This is a medical miracle of modern science.
The governor will get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine on Friday in Waycross. He said he wants to build confidence in the J&J brand. And when asked if he would encourage businesses to eliminate mask and social distancing policies, this was his response.
Yeah, we're working through that right now as to what that's going to look like and when. I've told people I'm moving very quickly now, so I think it'll be sooner rather than later if things continue to hold and we feel good about where we are.
The governor said over and over, the vaccine, he believes, is our ticket to normalcy. Now listen to these statistics. Just in the last week, an average of 78,000 doses were administered in a single day. That's a 35% increase from the prior week. Now he believes herd immunity is right around the corner. Live outside the state capitol tonight, Adam Murphy, CBS 46 News.
Adam, thank you.